Yep.
Dumb. Oh my god.
I may have been playing with it a little bit there.
Yeah. We're going sideways, I happen to dive. And not like sideways, like side this way.
Well, that's what I was saying. You can just like, as you're sliding, you just give it a stab and it's like, whoop, and it goes over.
Oh,
I'm pretty sure we apexed the cone over there with the nose of the car.
Yeah.
Was that good, Ken?
Holy crap, that was good. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That. Oh. First it's like, is that a window? What the heck?
It's a little different than everything else, isn't it?
Only thing that's same is the start. What? Only thing that's the same is the start. The rest is just like not a car.